Thank you for purchasing the 10 Secure Lynx Solar Camera. After opening the box, you'll first see the solar panel, the setup instructions, and the Lynx Solar Camera. Underneath these items are a box of accessories and 4 pieces of mounting hardware. The box of accessories includes a power supply unit, a small plastic bag with screws, wall anchors, and a 25-foot inline power cable. You are now ready to start the setup for your camera. Please make sure your phone is connected to your personal Wi-Fi network and that you have a strong signal. It's usually best to start your setup with the camera in the same room as your router or as close to the router as possible to get the strongest signal. Next, you need to download the 10 Secure app. You can find the app by searching for it in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. There are other apps with a similar name, so you want to make sure that you're looking for the 10 Secure app. Here's what it looks like. At this point, do not open the app. Now, it's time to plug in your Lynx Solar Camera. Connect the cord to the back of the camera and plug the cord into a working power outlet. First, you'll see an LED light on the front of the camera flash green. Next, you'll see the LED light alternate from green to orange, indicating the camera is now ready for setup. Please note, this may take up to 2 minutes from when the camera is first powered on. Next, go to the Settings menu on your smart device. Under your Wi-Fi networks, you'll find a network that begins with Lynx Solar, followed by 4 digits. These last 4 digits will match the last 4 digits on the MAC ID located on the sticker on the back of your Lynx Solar camera. Now, select your Lynx Solar camera's network and wait for your phone to connect. Once your phone is connected to the Lynx Solar camera's Wi-Fi, you may go to your 10 Secure app on your phone and open it. If your phone is correctly connected to your camera, the app will automatically start the setup process. The setup process begins by choosing a name for your camera. Once you type in the name for your camera, please press the Next button. You'll now see a list of Wi-Fi networks. Please choose your personal Wi-Fi network. Then enter your password and press Join. This may take a few minutes to connect to your home router. On the next screen, you can create a new user account. If you already have an account and are setting up multiple cameras, please press the I already have an account button. A single account can contain multiple cameras to facilitate easy access. After the camera has been registered to an account, you'll be prompted to log in. It may take up to 2 minutes for your home page to load with your live camera. Once the battery levels on your mobile app show that the camera is fully charged, disconnect the cable. Attach the camera to the 4-way adjustable arm with the short screw and proceed with the assembly and mounting instructions. Unfold the 2 halves of the solar panel. Push the power cable through the hole in the back of the dome and align the 6 slots with the 6 screws on the back of the panel. Twist the dome into place and use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten. Now, decide whether you'll mount your camera on a wall or under an overhang. Keep in mind that the camera must be mounted within 25 feet of the solar panel to utilize the power cable provided. If you're mounting to a wall, detach the back disc by gently pushing down on the tab with a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the 2 bolts. Use the correct wood screws or wall anchors provided to securely attach the mounting disc. Then, gently push the 4-way adjustable arm into the mounting disc until it snaps into place. If you're mounting to an overhang, attach the L bracket to the overhang with the screws or wall anchors provided, and attach the arm and camera assembly with the small machine screws provided. Choose a location with a maximum amount of sunlight for your solar panel and screw in the circular base. Slide the solar panel assembly into the base and tighten the cross screw with a screwdriver. Connect the 25-foot power cable to the solar panel and then plug it into the back of the camera. You are now ready to use your new 10 Secure Lynx Solar camera.